Hi cuties, happy morning, glory to Monfort. So today we are going to learn two letter words. Okay, so already in previous class we have learned two letter words. Okay, so today also we are continuing that. Okay, shall we start? Yes. Ek, one, ek, one, ek, ek, one. Next one, gar, house, gar, house, ga, ra, gar, house, gar, house. Next one, cha, le, chal, walk, நடக்கிறது. cha, le, chal, walk. chal, walk. cha, le, chal, walk. Next one, da, re, dar, fear, பயப்படுறது. Okay, da, re, dar, fear. sa, be, sab, all, எல்லாரும். Okay, sa, be, sab, all. Shall we read from the first one? Yes. Ek, one, ek, one. Gar, house, gar, house. Chal, walk, chal, walk. Dar, fear, dar, fear. Sab, all, sab, all. Next one, pare, par, on, par, on. jug, jug, jug. Okay, so நம்ம வாட்டர் குடிக்கிறதுக்கு யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம்ல அந்த ஜக் தான். ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன், த, நெ, தன், வெல்த், காசு பணம்லாம் சொல்லுவோம்ல அதுதான். ஓகே, தன், வெல்த், தன், வெல்த். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன், கத், லெட்டர். ஸோ நம்ம போஸ்ட் ஆஃபீஸில் போய் போட்டோம் இல்லையா லெட்டர், அதுதான். ஓகே, கத், லெட்டர், கத், letter. hum, we, hum, we. Okay cuties, shall we repeat from the first one? Yes. ek, one, ek, one. gar, house, gar, house. chal, walk, chal, walk. dar, fear, dar, fear. sab, all, sab, all. par, on, par, on. Next one, jug, 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 jug. Next one, dhan, wealth, dhan, wealth. khat, letter, khat, letter. Last one, hum, we, hum, we. Next we are going to learn three letter words. Okay, see the first one, kalam, ka, la, ma, kalam. pen, kalam, pen. Next one, kamal, ka, ma, le, kamal. lotus, kamal, lotus. Third one, mahal, ma, ha, la, mahal. palace, mahal, palace. Fourth one, namak, na, ma, ke, namak, salt, uppu. Okay, next one, sa, da, ke, sadak, road, sadak, road. Shall we read from the first one? kalam, pen, kalam, pen. kamal, lotus, kamal, lotus. mahal, palace, mahal, palace. namak, salt, namak, salt, namak, salt. sadak, road, sadak, road, sadak, road. Okay, okay cuties, so I hope you would have enjoyed the class. We will meet in the next class. Okay, thank you cuties.